Welcome to What's Cooking at JPT. Today we have a very interesting episode, so let's get right into it. First things first, SAT scores for juniors. Be on the lookout for that as they are coming very soon. Next thing, Senior Spirit Week. Have some interviews with some of your favorite seniors, so let's see what they have to say.
Hello, today I'm here with
Kamari and Ian.
Valerie. Victoria.
Hey, what's up? I'm Israel.
Stevie. I'm here with JC, a proud member of BSU. Today we'll be talking to this man. He's purpled out, as usual, even dyed the hair, and we'll talk to him about his senior year. Now, how is your senior year this far?
It's been fun. I liked it.
Yeah, good. Yeah.
Senior, so far, I won't lie, bro. First semester, I was crashing out a little bit. First semester was bad. I was just coming back after like a bad junior year. Well, late junior year was bad, but like we're making our comeback. Second semester is really fun for me right now. You know, we're about to graduate. That's the best thing I'm looking forward to.
I mean, it's pretty straight. I'm ready to get up out of the house here. So.
Honestly, I feel it coming to like a great close. I've done a lot. I've accomplished a lot my senior year. I've met amazing people. My teachers were great, and I just had like a better experience. This is like one of my favorite years at Terravella. I'm not gonna lie.
Is there any event that happened this year, senior event, or event upcoming that's like really important for you?
Oh, it has to be Senior Sunrise. That was fun.
What did you like about senior sunrise?
It's just the waking up early, going to the beach, and then like that whole day, just like going eating, hanging out with your friends, and it's like it was the vibe. It was everybody that was cool and getting together and just chilling. I like that. That was really fun.
I say the same thing. Senior Sunrise. I'm
excited for prom and graduation. Like, I want to see everybody's outfits at prom, and graduation is going to be fun because like it's the last time you're going to see everybody.
I'm excited for prom because I've been looking forward to it like my whole life. So, yeah, and graduation. Yeah.
Prom, that's something I'm really excited for. Prom, I got some, hopefully, if the plans work, I gotta have like a good day, good car I'm gonna drive in, so yeah.
My favorite event was like with BSU. Like it was like the cookout for sure. That's like one of my favorite things that we've done. Senior event, man, I don't know. Like we just do a lot. I really couldn't tell you. Like it's just a lot of active engaging with the senior class and planning stuff. That's what I just enjoy that process. There's nothing that's big that just like shouts like, oh, I love this over everything else.
Do you have any crazy senior stories, like any funny stories that happen, like, you know, maybe like competition or like?
I mean, do I have any crazy senior stories? Yeah, one time I think one of my teachers canceled class so that we don't do anything. Like she just like straight up walked out.
Being inside of a car accident, almost being inside of a car accident. You know, my friend was cruising in his car. He was cruising on the highway, like 60. His tire exploded. We almost swerved out. We almost got hit. That's a little incident.
Is there anything you want to say to like juniors coming into senior year next year, such as advice or, you know?
Senior year is not as easy as everybody says it is. Take it seriously because third quarter I did really bad.
Actually do your work because if not you'll fail. Yeah.
I won't lie, bro. Just like, you know, some people, they really push the stigma. They have to bring a date to prom. You don't have to. You just like bring your homeboys and stuff, a group of guys. And you know, you might see some girls dancing by yourself. That's your time to make some moves and stuff.
Bruh, yes. Make sure you lock in, gang, and do your homework and do what you're supposed to do because I procrastinated and third quarter was not it. Your grades matter and your attendance matter. No more skip days and don't get senioritis early like I did.
Yeah, I got you. One thing I'd say is like this year you're gonna transition into being an adult. I don't want to say like figure out what you're doing because you know you're still a kid, but be ready and also just know to be proud of yourself as well. Even if it's like for getting like a B or an A on an assignment, like you gotta learn to celebrate the little successes because if you don't, then you're not really gonna go anywhere. Just be yourself, be you, and be happy with that, and know your people. That's what I say.
Thank you, JC, for your wonderful time. Hope to see you again next time.
See you next time.
That was this week's episode of What's Cooking at JPT. Join us next week for another amazing episode. We'll see you then.